P1351, Ignition Control Module. Ignition Control. This code is related to the ignition control module and how it communicates with the engine computer to control spark timing. The ignition control module helps manage when the ignition coils fire, especially during startup and certain operating conditions. When this code sets, it means the computer is seeing a problem in that ignition control circuit. That could be a missing signal, incorrect voltage, or something not responding the way it should between the ignition module and the rest of the system. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, pay attention to symptoms. You might notice hard starting, misfires, rough running, lack of power, or possibly a no start condition. Since ignition timing is affected, the engine may not run correctly at all. Second, inspect the ignition control module. Depending on the vehicle, this may be a separate module or built into the distributor or coil pack. These modules can fail from heat and age, especially if they've been exposed to high temperatures over time. Third, check the ignition coils. A failing coil can sometimes overload or interfere with the ignition module and cause circuit-related issues. Fourth, inspect the wiring and connectors between the ignition control module, coils, and engine computer. Look for loose connections, damaged wires, or corrosion. Pay close attention to ground connections, since a poor ground can cause signal problems. Fifth, verify power and ground to the ignition control module. If the module isn't getting proper voltage or a solid ground, it won't function correctly. Sixth, check related sensors like the crankshaft position sensor. The ignition system depends on accurate engine position data, and problems with that signal can affect ignition control. A good general order when diagnosing P1351 would be: check for symptoms, inspect the ignition control module, check ignition coils, inspect wiring and grounds, verify power supply, and check crankshaft sensor operation if needed. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a failing ignition control module, bad ignition coils, or wiring issues in the ignition control circuit. That's pretty much it for this one.